When your instructor gives you a Turnitin assignment, an assignment that you turn in through Turnitin, first of all, you have to make sure that you have more than 20 words. It cannot just be pictures. It has to be actual words. Secondly, when you're taking a look, you need to see what your grade was and stuff like that. So one of the easiest ways to do that is to click on Grades. That is if it doesn't show up here under Recent Feedback. Under Grades, you can find the assignment that you want. You can click on the assignment name or the similarity score. I'm going to go ahead and just click on the assignment name. And you notice that there's no feedback here in the speed grader component. That's because in this particular case, the instructor has given the feedback in something called Feedback Studio, which is part of the Turnitin system. So you can click on the similarity score at the top. And it will open up Feedback Studio. And here is Feedback Studio. Feedback Studio allows your instructor to do several different things. When you come into Feedback Studio, it may or may not have these other parts active. So active layers, you can click on this little icon here, this feedback, instructor feedback icon, and you can see the different feedback that the instructor has given. So here at the top in blue is one piece that the instructor has given for feedback. The second is underneath each of these components. There's different pieces that your instructor was giving. So here, evaluative, for instance, this is not descriptive. This is evaluative instead of brilliance. So something that you need to put in place there. And again, it's just different feedback that comes up based on what your instructor is wanting you to know. On the right, you see text comments that they've made as well. And then there's a view rubric that's available. Once you click on that, then you can go ahead and see the rubric. And here you see a rubric for this particular assignment. The different criteria and the scales A, C, F, and where in each of these criteria where the score ranks. When you're done, you simply hit close. Now you see that blue rubric is back. You can click on that, and you would keep on going through this assignment, and you can evaluate everything in the assignment from there. And you can download the assignment itself. You can view submission information, when it was submitted, when it was graded. You also have the ability to take a look if there's a plagiarism score that is associated with this. All of that comes up here in the Feedback Studio, all in this one section here on the right. If you have questions about Feedback Studio, you can get a hold of Turnitin. You can look up online. There's a lot of different places there, and also your instructor may be able to give you additional information.